Our today's topic is decimal places. How to round numbers to decimal places. Round the following to 1 and 2 decimal places. A says 7.451, 7.451 to 1 decimal places. Our target is to have first digit number after the decimal point. The first digit number is 5. The second digit is up to 5. We round it up to 4 to make it 5. Remember after the decimal point that you must have only one digit number, not more than one, but only one digit number. So our final answer here is equal to 7.5 to 1 decimal places. Let's round it up to 2 decimal places. To 2 decimal places, our target is to have first digit number after the decimal point. The first digit number after the decimal point is 45. If the last digit number is up to 5, we round it up to 5 to make it easy. But if it is not up to 5, that's no need to round it up. So our final answer is what? 7.45 to 2 decimal places. Remember, after the decimal point, you must have only 2 digits number after the decimal point, because the question says to 2 decimal places. You must have 2 digit number after the decimal point. And 2 digit number you have here is 4, 5 after the decimal point. Let's answer question B. 3.156 1 decimal places. 3.156 to 1 decimal places. Our target is to have first digit number after the decimal point. The first digit number after the decimal point is what? It's 1. If the second digit is up to 5, we round it up to 1 to make it 2. Remember that after the decimal point, we must have only 1 digit number after the decimal point, because the question says to 1 decimal place is equal to 3.5 is up to 5. We round it up to 1 to make it 2 to 1 decimal places. Let's round it up to 2 decimal places. 3.156 to 2 decimal places. Our target is to have the first 2 digit number. The first 2 digit number after the decimal point is 15. Then if the last digit is up to 5, you round it up to 5 to make it 6. But if it is not up to 5, leave it like that. Remember that after the decimal point, our target is to have only 2 digit number after the decimal point. So our final answer is equals, the last digit is up to 5. We round it up to 5 to make it 6. 1, 6 to 2 decimal places. Let's solve for C. 0.051 0.051 to 1 decimal places. Our target is to have only 1 digit number after the decimal places. We all know that 0 here is nothing, but we need to take 1 from here. We need to round it up to 0 to make it what? To make it 1. Because 5 is up to 5. So our final answer is equals 0.55 round it up to 0 is 1. Our final answer is 0.1 to 1 decimal places. Remember that our target is to have only one digit number after the decimal point, and the digit number is it. Let's round it up to 2 decimal places. The 2 decimal places is equal to 0. Our target is to have the first 2 digit number 0 and 5. Last digit is not up to 5. So our final answer is 0.5 to 2 decimal places. The 2 decimal places. Remember that our target is to have only 2 digit number after the decimal point. So our final answer here is 0.05 to 2 decimal places. This is the end of our today's topic. Bye.